Hi there, and welcome to a video on how to format your paper on Microsoft Word to make sure that it is in Modern Language Association style. That's MLA style. Every paper that you write in here is required to be in MLA style, which means that it'll be in a specific font, it'll have a specific heading, and it'll look a certain way. That is required in pretty much any writing and communications class that you take. So this video is going to show you how to go through the formatting process on Microsoft Word so that if you are ever confused about how to do a certain step, you have this as a reference. The first thing you need to do when you're formatting your paper in Microsoft Word in MLA style is to click no spacing right here. That's the first thing you do. The second thing that you need to do is check the font over here. Notice that this says Calibri. The required font for this class and for MLA style and as specified by the syllabus is Times New Roman, so we'll change the font to Times New Roman. The font also has to be size 12, so we'll change it to size 12 as well. Additionally, it also has to be double spaced, so before you write anything, you want to make sure your spacing is correct. The way that you double space is by clicking on these up and down arrows here. And if you click on them and you take it down to 2.0, that will double space for you. So now you're ready to actually put your heading on. Your heading consists of 4 lines: your name, my name, our class, and the date. So for the name, you would put your own name here. Then you would put my name, and do notice that it says Professor Stanford. It doesn't say Ms. Stanford. It doesn't say Caitlin Stanford. It says Professor Stanford, and that is required for MLA for it to say Professor and the last name. So make sure that you do that. Don't put my first name. Don't put my middle initial. Don't put Ms. or Mrs. It's Professor Stanford. The next thing that goes on here is our class, and you want to write it exactly like I'm writing it right now. So DWRI 0091 hyphen 43400, and that's our section number right there. So it's our class, the level, and the section number, and there's only one hyphen and it's in between 91 and the section. The last thing that you're going to have on your heading is the date. The date has to be written in a specific way, so you'll put the day first, then the month, and then the year. Notice that there is no comma anywhere in the date. After that, you can hit enter once, and then you need to center because you're going to title your paper, and your title should always be centered. So you'll click this button right here, and you'll title your paper whatever it is that you're writing about. So just the example from the syllabus is here, the August heat. Notice that I capitalized the and heat and August because this is a title. We capitalize the words, the important words in titles like this, like book titles, movie titles, and essay titles. Notice also that it looks the same as the heading. It's Times New Roman, it's size 12, it's not underlined, it's not in quotes, it's not anything weird. It just looks like the rest of the paper. After that, you hit enter one more time, and then press back to the left, and you're ready to write. Remember that your paragraph should be indented, and the way that you should indent for MLA style is using the tab key. The tab key is located on your keyboard right above the caps lock. Please do not use the space bar to indent. Make sure that you use the tab key. That'll make sure that all of your indentions are uniform.